This video will explain how to configure the Edge hostname, also known as CNAME, using the CDNetworks CDN Pro Portal. To start acceleration with CDN Pro, you must direct your traffic to the CDN Edge servers. This is normally done by creating a CNAME record with your DNS provider to point your service domain to a CDN Pro Edge hostname. You can use the portal's traffic management page to configure this Edge hostname, set up sophisticated policies to handle requests based on your client's geographic location and internet service providers. Most importantly, you can balance the cost and performance of your CDN service. In the video, we will demonstrate how to set up the Edge hostname. Let's assume you just published an application accelerated by a CDN domain and you want to manage your CDN resources for your clients with the following policies. A. Ensure the best performance for your mainland China clients. B. Redirect all the traffic from the US to a fixed IP address. C. Block any requests from Singapore. Let's get started. Log on to the CDN Pro Portal. Navigate to the Traffic Management menu. Create an Edge hostname. If your CDN domain has an ICP ban and you want the CDN request to be resolved to Edge servers in mainland China, select Yes. Enter the first part of the Edge hostname. CDN Pro will automatically append a suffix qtlcdn.com to your Edge hostname domain. Click the Create Client Zone Rule button to create policies for the requests from different client regions. A client zone is a combination of a geographical region and one or more internet service providers. To configure the policy for your clients from mainland China, perform a keyword search to find the client regions and select the mainland China entry. Choose a client ISP for the client region. Based on how you want to handle the requests from the client regions, select an action type. Here, use Deliver for the traffic from the mainland China client zone. Next, select a server group to manage your traffic delivery based on your budget. CDN Pro organizes its Edge servers into 5 server groups based on cost. From lowest to highest, the groups are categorized as general server groups, Standard, Premium, Premium Plus, Ultra, and a special server group near China. When a higher cost server group is selected for the general server groups, the lower cost server groups will be automatically included in the content delivery. The special server group near China is for the CDN domain without ICP ban, but requires optimal performance for clients in China. You need to contact the CDNetworks support team to enable the near China server group. For your Edge hostname, select Ultra as the server group to ensure your clients in China have the best performance. And the requests from China can be served by the POPs under all server groups. Click this button and create the Client Zone Rule. Next, let's create the Client Zone Rule to redirect all the requests from the United States to a fixed IP address. Lastly, create the Client Zone Rule to reject any access from Singapore. Your new Client Zone Rules are summarized on this page. Click and create the Edge hostname. Confirm the creation. Now the Edge hostname is ready, you can configure the DNS CNAME record for the CDN acceleration domain with the Edge hostname. See the previous CDN Pro video on how to create a CDN domain. As a good practice, let's test if the client zone rules are working as expected. First, make a request from mainland China and check the response. Before starting the test, you need to confirm the request IP is indeed from mainland China. Use the curl command to test the mainland China client zone rule. As expected, the request is fulfilled from this client zone with the contents. Next, send a request from the United States to test the redirect rule. As before, let's verify the request is from the correct region. Confirm the request IP's geolocation is from the US. Then use the dig command to test the client zone rule. As expected, the request from US has been redirected to the targeted IP address. Last, let's make a request from Singapore. Send a request from Singapore with the curl command to test the reject rule. As expected, the request has been rejected by the Edge hostname client zone rule with a 403 forbidden status error. That's it. For details on how to configure a CDN Pro Edge hostname, visit docs.cdnetworks.com. Stay tuned for more CDN Pro videos.